Are you looking for the best sitz bath for toilet seat? We've got this one right here. I'd show this thing off to you guys today, so go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that elbow for me right there. So this is what the sitz bath looks like right here. It's got a nice lip all the way around the back right here in the front so that it'll sit nicely on the seat. It is collapsible as well. You can see how this front part is higher and this blue part is like a silicone material. So you can just simply pop this thing on out just like this. That way you can pop this over your toilet and then you can sit your booty on there if you need to have a little booty rest, a little sitz bath going on there. So that's awesome. It says on the back here, please expand before use. Push down the middle part to expand the basin. So that's easy to do. And then pushing it back up, if you do want to like store it away somewhere, you can kind of slide underneath or on the side of something without being as bulky. Just to give you guys some measurements on this thing to make sure that it's going to fit on your toilet seat. You are looking at 13.5 inches across by 15.5 inches long right there. And then as far as the basin here, where you can put all the sitsy things and whatnot, you're looking at, that's about, well, you have these holes right here where the water or whatever could come out of right there if you wanted to do that. So, but just up to the top of, we'll go this blue line all the way around, you're looking at about, that's about 3 inches, maybe just a hair shy of that. So that's awesome. Yeah, if y'all are looking for a collapsible sitz bath, that's hard to say, sitz bath, y'all definitely go and grab y'all one of these right here. I don't know if they make them in different colors or different sizes. Definitely go and check out the product listing below. And if they do, they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best one for your particular situation, you know, your toilet seat and all that. But yeah, this looks very nice. You'll definitely go and grab y'all one of these if you're looking for a sitz bath. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that elbow right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dad out.